Hello everyone and welcome to another airsofting video from the Woodland Warriors NL. Today we have a little special video. Last time on my Instagram account I asked you guys what I should do with my sniper rifle. It's the Airsoft Striker, the AS02. It's a short sniper rifle, and eventually after some voting we all agreed it should get a new paint job. So that's what we are going to do in this video. I will take you along my steps to show you how I paint my airsoft rifles, and also you can do it yourself. Normally I just use spray cans with paint. Lately I wanted to try something different, so I bought an airbrush, to see if the outcome is any better, maybe different. We will see. The first step you have to do, disassemble your replica. For the sniper rifle it's really easy. I have all the tools I need already inside. So let's take it apart. Okay guys, we disassembled the sniper rifle and all the various parts. Lucky for me, the sniper rifle is not made up of a lot of parts, and the complete trigger assembly, it will stay like this, so I can just leave it in one piece. Next thing is we're going to separate the stuff that we don't want to paint and the stuff that we do want to paint. I just want to paint the body as well as the front part of the body, so this will be what we will be painting. The rest of the stuff I'm just going to put it aside so you won't get any paint on it. Okay guys, so now we took the replica in pieces. We have only the pieces that we want to paint. There are still some little spots that I want to protect, so I'm going to put some tape on there so we don't get paint in the places we don't want it to get. Here in the cheek riser part you see this screw. I want to keep it free from paint, so I will put some paint on the screw so it will stay clear of the spray. It's not the best work that I did, but as you can see now it will be protected from paint, which is the most important part of this. Okay, let's start. We have my airbrush here. It's just a very cheap version. I bought it from the Action for 40 euros. For the pattern, you guys voted for the Digital Camo Pattern, so that's the one that we will be using. First I will select a few pieces on my template and take the rest off so the paint can't get through any of the other holes, so we get the right pattern that we want. Okay guys, I taped up most of the template. I just will start with this row, some smaller pieces, just to see how it will go. First I will do a little test just on the board itself. Let's see, we already have the base color, it's the green from the replica itself. So I think I will start with black. Let's see if we can make something cool out of this. When it gets outside of the square, you get this big square around it. But the pieces inside, they do look really good. Also try to separate it some more, just painting the inside. We don't have the big square around it, and this is a little bit lighter. This is more paint on the same surface. Okay guys, it's been a little while. Most of the paint is now dried. This time I taped off a different section of my stencil, so I have some different patterns, this time with oak brown. The second color is now dry. I will give you a little close-up so you can see how it looks now. I think it looks really great, the brown that we put on. At first I was thinking maybe it's a little bit too light, but you can see when it dries up it gets a little bit darker, so I really like it. Now it's time for color number 3. We're going with some greens. We put all the paint layers on now, so now it's time for some clear coat. This is a water-based acrylic paint, so when it rains it can dilute the paint and wash off the replica. We don't want that, so we are going to put some clear coat on it. Spray it from a distance in the small places. And now you can already see it's really shiny, but all the colors of the paint, it comes out a lot better. The paint is dry, so now we can put back everything together to see the final results of our work. I put everything together, now it's time to see the end result of all our hard work. Here is the Airbrush striker, the AS02. With its fresh new paint job, it looks amazing. It fits the weapon perfectly. It makes it just a little bit more complete than just the normal green. Let me know in the reactions or in the comments what you think about the paint job that we did on this sniper rifle. Stay tuned to our YouTube page and to our Instagram, because this will not be the last replica that we will be painting. I'm thinking to do another one, maybe two, in the near future. So stay tuned, make sure to follow us and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a reaction in the comments, let me know what you think of this video, and please subscribe to our Airsoft channel for more airsofting videos coming up in the future. And I hope I will see you on the next video.